Tired of lost requests and muddled communication? Let's master the art of raising a Jira ticket and streamline your workflow. First, locate the Create button. It's usually in the top navigation bar or on your project's dashboard. Click it to get started. Now, let's create the issue. Begin by selecting the appropriate project for your ticket. This ensures it's filed in the right place. Next, choose your issue type. Are you reporting a bug, requesting a new feature, or simply completing a task? Select the relevant option. This helps with categorization and organization. The summary is your concise, to-the-point title. Keep it brief and descriptive. It should tell the reader what the issue is about. Now, the description field is where you explain the issue. In detail, clearly explain the problem, how to reproduce it, or what you are requesting. Give as much context as possible. Next, decide on the assignee. This is the person responsible for resolving the issue. You can assign it to yourself or to someone else. Then, you need to set a priority. Is this a critical bug that needs immediate attention, or something less urgent? This is how your issue gets prioritized. You may want to add some more information, for example, adding labels to categorize the issue, or including attachments to provide extra context, such as screenshots or documents. Finally, click Create to submit. Your ticket is born. That's raising a basic Jira ticket. Now you can track your requests and improve your team's communication. Happy ticketing!